This is where I brought my kids home. It's where they learned how to ride a bike.
Only a slab is left from Lori Hornback's memories of life here after hell came to paradise a year ago and left survivors with nothing.
You lose your house, you lose your church, you lose your shopping center where you knew everybody, your post office, your everything is just gone, and because nobody's there anymore. Your neighbor now lives in LA. Your other neighbor now lives in Tennessee. You know, you'll never probably ever see them again. It's more than just losing your home. It's losing the whole community.
When Hornback finds a neighbor who has returned, it's like discovering treasure.
I'm so glad you're coming back.
Hornback, her 2 grown children, and their families each lived in different homes in Paradise when a fire caused by electrical transmission lines burned through town.
And I ran out without any shoes, ran out without anything because things were exploding all the way around us.
Hornback didn't want to return at first, but later changed her mind, partly because her daughter Brittany Richardson wanted to come back.
This is where we were raised. This is where everything was so familiar to us. We knew where the closest store was, the closest hospital. This is where we were raised.
This is our heart.
So this is Paradise is where we belong.
Lori and I chose to stay because we felt like we needed to do something here. Yeah, we needed to be part of this.
This is the rebuilding process, says Lori Hornback's husband, John, who owns a construction company. He, his son-in-law, and the team are literally rebuilding with their hands. Hornback says this house received the first permits to rebuild after the fire, and work these days has become personal.
You know, I live here. This is my town. It's part of me. It's in my heart. You know, I mean, you want to be part of the repair.
I'm actually very proud of the speed of the town that's recovering because we worked together. We worked as a team. Everybody did, even if strangers.
The Hornbacks bought this house in Paradise that did not burn. Under this roof, there are now 12 people, including their grown children, their families, and other relatives. Now, with much of the trees gone, Hornback has quite a view.
All these trees will come back, and it's beautiful up here, and it's just peaceful. It's going to be better, beautiful, and everybody's going to be stronger. We're resilient.
And as Paradise is reborn, Hornback hopes more people will return. Elizabeth Lee, VOA News, Paradise, California.